We hear it a lot around us. Our brother or sister who feel depressed, or for whom life feels very heavy, but they don't want to go to a professional help, and that for two reasons. Number one, because they feel ashamed and also worried of being judged. And number two, concerned that they will end up with a therapist who doesn't understand or takes our religion and your cultural background seriously. And this is the one I want to focus on. However well-intentioned a non-Muslim therapist may be psychologically to you as a Muslim or Muslima, the counseling doesn't make it Islamic. From experience, I have often been told that therapists saying, yes, I will take Islam into account, so don't worry about that. Well, you should be worried, because it's not a jacket that you put on and take off again. Islam is an ultimate decision over which you make till the end of your life. Islam is nothing less than submitting completely to Allah Subḥānahu wa ta'ala. Every action we take and every aspect of who we are, Alhamdulillah. Allah Subḥānahu wa ta'ala is the one and only who decides whether you get better or not. But you are in charge of the actions you take to get there. The two actions you should take is, number one, implementing the necessary steps. You shouldn't say, I'll wait till it comes to me, because unfortunately, it doesn't work that way. Whoever chooses not to do this has disobeyed Allah's law and His commandment. Allah Subḥānahu wa ta'ala commanded us to do the necessary actions. He also commanded our Prophet Muhammad ﷺ to do that. One of the sayings of the Prophet Muhammad are, tie up your camel, then trust in Allah. This means that you should first take the necessary precautions, exert yourself, use your brain and the resources at your disposal, and then place your trust in Allah Subḥānahu wa ta'ala. The phrase tie up you camel relates to the logic sense with which our Almighty created us from His infinite mercy. He gave us intelligence, wisdom, and the ability to use precautions that are suitable. He provides us with the chance to make preparations and get ready for upcoming occurrences. When Allah Subḥānahu wa ta'ala miracles for His beloved, it is because of His mercy and favors. However, this does not imply that we should avoid from taking the necessary action. It is established that the Prophet ﷺ said, strive for that which will benefit you. Seek Allah's help and do not lose heart or determination. Muslim. And our Prophet ﷺ also said, seek the cure of your illnesses, for verily every illness that Allah brings down. Number two, put your trust in Him. First and foremost, put your faith and trust in Allah ﷺ. Have tawakkul and accept that only He can guarantee that the action taken will benefit you. And you must also have faith that He has foreordained everything. Having faith in Him and that He cares about your well-being. He, the all-knowing, who even knows what is going through your mind and mine, and what is happening inside our hearts, is a must, since nothing occurs without His permission. So my advice to our brothers and sisters who feel the need to speak to a professional Muslim therapist? Go and do your sabab. If you don't have them in your country or you can't pay for it, subscribe to our channel and we hope to help you through this channel with our videos, In Sha Allah.